Are you overusing this coaching technique of reflecting in your coaching sessions? Let's talk about other ways that you could use the coaching session to serve the client instead. As a mentor coach, I observe many coaches that are new to the profession. And in their coaching, they often use the technique of reflection. What is reflection? It is reflecting back to the client what you heard them say, because you believe that you'd like to ensure they know you're tracking with them, you're on the same page, you understood clearly what they had shared with you, or you're seeking to evoke some growth, some new perspectives in their thinking by reflecting back what you heard them say. You might even be trying to challenge what you heard them say by reflecting it back to them, forcing them to reconsider their own words. This is a powerful technique, no doubt about it. Some time back, I created a video on the pros and cons of reflection and summary. You may want to watch that for additional info on this topic. But in this video, I really want to focus on doing it a little too much. Newer coaches realizing the value of reflection often turn to it in a coaching session 2, 3, 4, even 5 times. And when you use reflection that many times, it's like using any technique too much. It starts to lose its power and may actually even make the client feel like it's starting to feel like a mechanical coaching session. And we never want that, right? We want it to be natural. We want the conversation to flow, and we want to stay present with the client, partnering with the client, and using reflection just like anything else, only sparingly, as we believe it's going to be really powerful and move the client forward to a new view of the situation, sparking some new ideas, causing them to question their perceptions, their assumptions, maybe even challenge a limiting belief, etc. So how can you use this time more powerfully? Well, consider other coaching methods, such as the power of silence, asking them what other ideas they have, asking them if they are following an assumption here that might not be true, or asking them who might be a resource here, or what other paths could they take forward other than the ones that they believe that they should. Is it truly an either or situation? There's so many different things that we can do to help a client move forward in a coaching session, and reflection is just one method. So challenge yourself to use other methods. How will you know if you're over-reflecting in a coaching session? Well, one thing is, if you become aware of this possibility, you're more likely to catch yourself doing it. If you journal after a coaching session, then you can recall how you flowed through the coaching session and whether you reflected maybe one too many times. And you can commit to doing less of it going forward. You could also even ask your client, I reflected back a few times to you during this coaching session. Was that helpful? Do you appreciate it, or would you rather me not reflect back what you said and just ask you questions and seek to move you forward instead? All of these ideas can help you to reflect less and bring more power into your coaching sessions. I'd love to hear what you think. How do you use reflection in a powerful way? Or do you overuse it, and what will you do differently going forward? Post your ideas in the comments below, or email me at michael@BAECexecutivecoach.com. If you'd like to learn more about my executive coach training and certification programs presented as a faculty member of the Center for Executive Coaching, please visit the dedicated website, BAECexecutivecoachtraining.com, or go directly to the centerforexecutivecoaching.com, where you'll learn more about all the programs we offer, distance learning, virtual seminars, and the in-person seminars which I present. Please subscribe to the channel, like the videos that serve you, and share them with others. Thank you very much.